it's almost finished. So this video is going to be interesting because I was printing the same part, the exact same part. It's the same G code, even the same G code. The only difference is when I got clogging, how do you say it, clogging, I got several times clogging, so I have some failed ones, and I only started to get this problem after I used all metal heat break. I never got clogging before. So when I got this one and several ones here, I just went back quickly to the non-all metal, the light one with a Bowden tube inside. Now the interesting thing is the difference in the quality. Of course, no clogging. Oh, sorry. As you see, no support, nothing. I like the challenging stuff, so I tried printing without support. But now let's see them side by side. Just okay. Now see this one here. These were from the retractions, I think, mostly. Now see this one. It's almost nothing. Nothing has changed, only the heat break from all metal to non all metal. The changes are mostly here in this area. Okay, so beside the non-clogging, it just went away this problem with non-all metal. The quality now is better somehow. I don't know why. Seems to be because the path of the filament is smoother. It's much smoother. See here, it's much smoother than this one. It's the same G code. I didn't change anything. The temperature was 235 and 80 for the bed. Just want to keep this one hot because I'm going to print again. Okay, just preheat it for PLA. These are PETG. Anyway, you got the idea. For me, this is a huge difference. Of course, these ones are Chinese, all of them. So clones, they are not original. Of course, the original heat break will be much better. But this is what I got for now. uh, yeah, for the I'm still waiting for the ball screws, 4 ones. They are on the way, and 500 millimeters linear rail for X. For the PAI sheet, I cleaned it a bit. I will clean it more, and will experiment with this one to glue the PEI to the hotbed instead of the adhesive tab, the double-sided one. This one becomes transparent and rubbery material. They said it will become a transparent rubber. So I will try this and see how it performs. Okay, so nothing more for today. I will update you later, I think when I get the ball screws and the linear rail, or if anything interesting happened on the way. Okay, see you, bye bye.